Hey, Sugar Babies, it's your girl Sugar, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you're returning, hey, welcome back. So I'm hopping right into this video. If you guys did not notice, in that picture, I had a mini twist going on for my gym selfie, and I asked you guys if you wanted a little tutorial about how to do it. So this is going to be really quick. I didn't get the full thing just because it's going to take a little while, and I didn't have that much storage on my camera, just being truthfully honest with you guys. So what I did was I just recorded a little bit of it, and here I'm going to show you what I do for one row. So what I do is I take it in my spray bottle and I wet down that one section. I take my product, which today I happen to be using the Eden Body Works Hibiscus and Honey line. And then I go down the whole shaft of the hair, I comb it out, and then I go on with twisting. If you've never twisted before, all you do is you take the hair, you split it into two sections, and you wrap it around each other. So I'm going to do this a couple times so you guys can get the hang of it. And yeah, it's going to be a very quick video today. Just giving y'all a little bit of something different. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and let me know below. If you do not, just still give it a thumbs up. As we get to the end, all you're going to do is twirl your finger towards the end of that twist just to seal it up. And you go on to your next twist. Okay, let's review this one more time. Step 1, wet the hair. Step 2, get this other stuff out the way. Nah, I'm just kidding. Comb the hair out. Step 3, we are going to apply the product. Go ahead, girl, grab you some more. If that wasn't enough, make sure you get all of the hair strands. And last, we are going to go in and do our 2-strand twist. All right, so we've come to our last twist in this row. Don't be sad. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little video, but we're going to follow all those same steps one more time, and we're going to go ahead and get out of here. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This is the way I see what kind of content you guys want. And if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and leave me a 100 symbol down below. Keep it 100 with me. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.